Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error code 0x8004de44, then let's look at the following solutions. So the first solution would be is to check the internet speed. So for that we go to a site like fast.com and look for the internet speed on the system. So it should be at least 20 megabytes per second or above. 20 megabytes per second is the minimum. If it's below that, then there's a problem with your internet connection and you need to get in touch with your internet service provider. Second option would be to restart the PC and look if after restarting the PC if the error appears again. If it does, then we check whether there's an issue with the Windows OneDrive server. So we do that by going to the browser and looking for Windows OneDrive server status. Okay, click on service status. Everything is up and running. All right, so that's not the problem. And the last option would be the last solution would be is to reset Windows OneDrive. So open this and we need to type in this command. This command you will find in the description of the video. So we'll copy this command and we'll open the run box. So Windows and R simultaneously and copy this command, enter, and this will reset the OneDrive for you. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.